Reviewing arithmetic sequence for IB Math final paper. By definition, arithmetic sequence means that if you have a set of numbers, the difference of each number is a constant addition. Mathematically speaking, it means that the next term subtracted with the original term will have a difference. And this is the formula to find the nth term in which you have it in your formula book. Now we can go straight to the example. So the first part here, we have 1. Add another 3 to 4, add another 3 we get 7, add another 3 become 10, become 13, and so on. So the common difference is plus 3, in which we will note it by d equals to 3. And we can name each term from the beginning, it's the term 1 or unit 1 until the unit 5 and so on and so on. For the below part, we can see that instead of addition, it is a subtraction. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, and it continues on. So the difference is minus 4, and we can also name each term. Some useful remarks about this is that you can find another random term that is so far from the beginning. So for example, let's say I want to know the 97th term of this sequence. Well, writing it plus 3, so on and so on might be so tiring. And that's where the understanding and formula comes very useful. You know that it starts from the beginning and then you add the difference 96 times, in which from the formula book is u1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So that's why it's u1 plus 96 multiplied by d. And now we can just plug in the numbers that we have. The u1, it starts from 1, and then the 96 multiplied by d, it's 96 multiplied by 3, and we can calculate using calculator, we will get the answer is 289. So it reduced the redundancy that we need to write until the 97th term. As for the next one, we can check whether a number is part of the sequence or not. Let's say I want to know whether 0 is part of this sequence. What I can see is that if I continue, to check with minus 4, I will get 5. I can check with minus 4, I will get 1, more minus 4. I will get minus 3, which is technically not a number. If the number is very big or very far, then what we can do is we plug in the formula and we check whether the n is a natural number. If it's not, then it's not part of the sequence. I will show you how. So just plug in the formula from SL 2.1, which is 0 equals u1 plus n minus 1 as a group multiplied by d. We have u1 is 25, and the d, we see the pattern is minus 4. So we can plug it in and make sure that when you plug the d, because it's a multiplication, you give a bracket. Okay, and then you open the bracket, so it will be minus 4n and plus 4. So now you can add plus 4n to both sides, in which you will get 4n equals 29. And dividing that, 29 per 4, it is not a natural number. It is around 7.25. So that's why it is not a member of the sequence. If you have any math questions, just comment down below or go to my profile.